This stock went up almost 1,000% today. How does that happen on no news? Negative news. I'm going to do a deeper dive in this video. So Cingulate, CING, they are a company that is focused on ADHD. We all know that that is a massive market and there are problems with people getting addicted to amphetamines. But they have some type of technology where you get the immediate release, third release, second release. They have some type of special film coat. I don't know if that's the most attractive picture there. Something I want to put in my body, but who knows? Maybe it's got some potential, right? But if you look at the news, Cingulate was just downgraded on Friday, and yet it made a massive move today. Now, who could have saw this coming? Absolutely nobody. Nobody could have predicted that it would have went yesterday when it traded a dollar volume of $22,000. So it went from $22,000 to today, $851 million. Or this says 962. Which one's right? I don't know. Anyway, it's a lot. So let's look at the 5-minute chart. I actually traded this a bunch at the open. And you know what? A stock that went up 1,000%, I actually lost money overall on the day because I was in here, I was up, and then I traded it here and took a loss there. Right, and then when I saw it later in the day, button up against VWAP, I didn't take it, and maybe I should have. But who would have thought that this thing, after hours, with I don't believe they have much of a short float, would have gone up this much. The float is 13 million. So just look at this, right? You think it's even done here, and then it makes another move. It goes from 15 to 20, almost 20. And I can't make any sense of it. Does anybody, is there somebody that knows some news that I'm missing on this one? Because this is just an insane move after hours that, and it just toyed with you all day because it didn't make the big move during the day. You can see here how it basically went sideways, consolidated, and broke out here. I found support at that anchor VWAP and here as well. But yeah, honestly, I was looking at this, and what I ended up taking was UPST and Carvana as anticipation setups instead of the CING, and if you had just taken even just like $1,000, that would have turned into like $4,000. So here, it's right at the close. There's just no reason to even be in this, right? This whole thing happened. And yeah, you could have traded it after hours, but I don't know how many people are really in here trading this. So yeah, all the volume came in, started coming in, and then it made this massive run. Nice sideways move here. Basically an ascending base, breaks out, comes back, double bottom here, comes up through the VWAP, anchor VWAP. No, actually it runs all the stops here and then makes a move, right? So this probably frustrated a lot of people. Drop a comment if you traded this after hours and lost money on it, because what you don't see on here is these moves are pretty big, right? So from here, if you bought there, you would have lost 37%. It pulls back 37%. This is like a 1-minute chart, or 2-minute chart, but you can almost look at this as like a daily chart here and a weekly. I mean, it's the same type of chart pattern. This is pretty much the exact same price action and pattern where something pulls back that much and then makes a move, right? So it pulled back from 15 to what? Down to basically pulled back $5, and then what do you have? Another swing move of almost $5.